Hello everyone, my name is Mackenzie and I work here at MCR Medical Supply. Today I'm going to be unboxing the MCR Medical CPR Training Face Shields. Our MCR brand of student training face shields are very cost effective, which we know CPR instructors will appreciate. These training face shields are sold in 50 packs, 200 packs, and packs of 1,000, and we guarantee to have them in stock and ready for fast and free shipping. Before we get any further, I would like to mention that these face shields are for training use only and are designed for single use to help protect your students against cross-contamination. The MCR Medical CPR Training Face Shields are individually wrapped, making it more efficient than ever to distribute protective supplies to students during class. Each individual face shield measures at 3 inches by 3 3/4 inches, which is about the same size as a credit card. The latex-free shield features graphics illustrating proper hand placement for administering breaths, along with visual reminders showing proper head tilt chin lift technique. The graphics will also ensure that your students are using the correct side of the shield while in class. Another key feature of the face shields is that they are universally sized and designed to fit all training mannequins, regardless of size or brand, though of course we prefer Preston. At MCR Medical, we're CPR professionals too, and we stand behind every product we carry. Our goal is to provide the best possible products at the best price in the industry. As always, if you have any questions or concerns, feel free to give us a call or send us an email, and one of our friendly customer satisfaction advocates will be happy to assist you. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a wonderful day.